Shanghai, Xianrong as a verified pro supplier on Alibaba, established in 2008 as one of the leading and professional manufacturer in China, and owns two factories located in Shanghai and Guangzhou, and comprised of over 400 highly skilled workers. We are specialized in luxury jewelry and watch box, gift box, cosmetic boxes, chocolate box, folding box, and mailer box. We have passed ISO 9001, 14001, 18001, BSCI, FSC, SETX, and Disney certification. And our packaging is widely used in food, wine, cosmetic, jewelry, and garment industry. Up to now, our partner have Omega, Sephora, Siemens, Godiva. One of the factors we can success in the market is we focus on material research and development. We use FSC paper, soy ink, and environmental material. To have a better printing quality with higher resolution, we apply for advanced CTP facility system from artwork to plate direct. Printing is the core process of the packaging production. Xianrong introduced brand new Heidelberg 6+1 color printing machine to meet your high-quality standard. With capacity of over 1 million boxes per month, we have full range of after-print facility, and most of the equipments are fully automated, such as foil stamping machine, die cutting machine, paper wrapping machines, box pasting machines, as well as different kinds of testing machines to ensure our quality consistency.